Hello friends, my name is Pawan. So in this video, we will register our user service to the Eureka server. In the previous video, we configure the Eureka server, and while configuring, we configure one link. So we will use that link to register the user service to the Eureka server. Let me show you. So this is our Eureka server. This is our discovery service, and in this discovery service, we created this link. So we will use this link to register the user service to this Eureka server. Okay, so to do this configuration, first go to the Maven to download one Maven dependency, that is Eureka Maven dependency, and copy the latest dependency that we have. Copy this and add in our user service pom.xml. Okay, so paste this dependency. Okay, so currently, so we are added here version. So in future I will add more dependency for this Eureka cloud. So I will ask Maven to manage this dependency. So for that, add two things in the pom.xml. So let add the dependency management. So this below this, add one tag, that is dependency management. You can pause this video or you can check the code on the Git. Okay, so first of all this, and second thing, we have to add the our cloud version. So we will add cloud version here in the properties section. Okay, the cloud version will be this. So you can pause this video and you can write this code. Otherwise, you can check the code on the my GitLab. Okay, so link in the description. So first thing is done. So refresh this Maven. Okay, so this POM part is done. After that, open our main class. On this main class, add one annotation, that is enable discovery client. So this annotation we need, so add this on our main class. This is the second thing. Okay, third thing, open our properties file and add some properties here. So I already copied that, and let me okay, so server.port. So this property port :0, that this property will create the random port. Okay, second is the this link. Okay, this link, Eureka link. So this link is same as the link we are created in discovery service, right? This is the discovery service, this is Eureka server. We created this link, or this is the same link that we are adding in our user service. Okay, so this is the same link. So whenever our user service will register to the Eureka server, so that time it will create one port application name and a port name. So we will ask this to create the random port number. So that's why we will added this property. This is the optional, you can add or not, but the best practice is we have to add this. So we need these three properties, and I think we are almost done. Let's run our discovery service. Okay, our discovery service is running on the port 8010. And we can see this is the Eureka node URL. So we use this to register our user service. Okay, let's check our Eureka is running or not. So that is the local host 8010. Yeah, our Eureka server is up, and here in the instance section you can see there is no instances registered with the Eureka server. So go to our user service and run this user service. Okay, now your application is up. Here you can see discovery client user. So this is our user service we register with the Eureka server. So with this, this is the URL. So we will see this in our same in our Eureka client. So here is the Eureka client. Let's refresh that. Here you can see our user service is already registered here. So if you want to check any API is running or not, so let's check one of our API. So go to the controller. So we will check this status check API from our Eureka server link. So this is our status user status check, and we will see this it is working or not. So we will click on this. Okay, so this is the user service URL, second is the user, right, and third is the user, sorry, the third is our this URL, right, status check URL. So copy this and add this, and here we can see our user service is working fine. By we call this user service from our Eureka server, that is always register. And here you can observe this, this is the random port, it is generated by our code that we just added. And after that we will not hard code the port in our user service, that is the we have the like user service and album service, so we will not hard code it, so it will create automatically, so by this code. Okay, thank you.